outbreak of certain diseases.
The Minister of Health, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, on Friday, while speaking to the reporter on Medical College, said there are other complications that challenge the state of Meghalaya. She further informed that Tura Medical College is well advanced in its infrastructure building and the state government has picked up all the lost time during COVID-19. With regards to Shillong Medical College, the Health Minister informed that they are way ahead and are going to be floating the expression of interest again for certain facilities, and the government is working on it. Regarding the 108 emergency services, Lyngdoh said that the department has sent the document of the tender to the Law Department for its advice.
Tura Medical College is well advanced in its infrastructure building. We need to remember that in order for Government of India to grant us permissions to set up these institutions, there are a few procedures and processes that need to be put in place. Like I said, we want to provide the best facility to the people of the state of Meghalaya, and I look forward to this happening very quickly. Now, in case the model code of conduct gets announced and we are still not able to present or start for the calling of the bids again, we still have the current situation where the NHM themselves are running the 108.
The Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda